Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a really useful skill for anyone working with data in Power BI, parsing a JSON column. If you've ever imported data and found one of your columns is just a jumble of JSON code, don't worry, you're far from alone. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to transform that complex data into clean, usable columns, setting you up for much more insightful analysis in your reports. So let's jump right in and tackle this step by step. Alright, so your data is loaded into Power BI, and you notice the column called Order Details is filled with what looks like a bunch of curly braces, colons, and random text. That's JSON, a flexible way to store different data fields together. The trick is to turn that into actual columns, and Power BI makes this surprisingly straightforward once you know where to look. First things first, head up to the ribbon and click on Transform Data. This opens up Power Query, the powerhouse behind all data shaping in Power BI. If you've never been here before, it's where you can reshape, clean, and prepare your tables before building visuals. Everything we're about to do takes place in Power Query. Now in the Query Editor, find your Order Details column, that's the one full of JSON strings. Go ahead and select that column by clicking the header. It's important to do this so Power Query knows exactly which data you want to transform. With the column selected, look at the menu bar across the top. You'll see a tab called Transform. Click on that, and within the drop-down options, you'll spot Parse. Make sure you choose JSON from the options. What this does behind the scenes is decode each JSON string, turning it into structured data that Power Query can work with. Don't worry if it takes a second for the changes to apply. You're asking Power BI to do a lot of heavy lifting here. Once Power Query parses the JSON, something interesting happens. Your column changes. Instead of just raw JSON strings, each row expands into a little record. You'll recognize this by a tiny icon showing what looks like two arrows pointing outwards, sometimes called the Expand button. This is where the magic happens. Click that Expand button and a checklist will pop up showing all the fields Power Query detected inside your JSON. In this case, you should see options like product, quantity, amount, and location. Select whichever fields you want to turn into real columns. Usually, you'll want them all. Then hit OK. That's it. The messy JSON data is now split out into neat columns. So instead of puzzling through curly braces and colons, you've got clear, separate data for each part of an order. The product someone bought, how many they ordered, the sale amount, and even the location. Suddenly, you can filter, analyze, and visualize this info like any other column in Power BI. Take a minute to look over your new expanded table. If something doesn't look right or if a column's missing, double-check you click the correct checkboxes or try the step again. Sometimes, if your JSON isn't formatted perfectly, Power Query might not pick up every field, but in most cases this process works beautifully and saves you hours of manual data entry. And there you go, a fully expanded table ready for analysis, reporting, or dashboard building. Parsing JSON in Power BI unlocks a ton of extra insights from sources like web APIs, logs, or complex exports, so it's a skill worth practicing. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions about data transformation in Power BI. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.